there. Hey, do you ever have crazes in your house? You know, when everybody in the family starts to do the same thing, like finger painting or cutting out or riding bicycles. Well, this house is no different. And this is our latest craze. Look, jigsaw puzzles. We're all at it, you know. Me, Sooty, Sweet. Sue's already finished hers, and I've jolly nearly finished this one. I love jigsaw puzzles. And yet at the same time, I hate them. They can drive you absolutely bonkers. This has taken me the best part of a week to do this, you know.
Morning, Matthew.
Oh, hi, Sue. Mind the jigsaw. Steady, steady, steady. What can I do for you?
Well, I was wondering if you'd seen a piece of sky anywhere, because Sooty's lost one.
Well, I haven't. A piece of sky?
Yes.
Sue, listen. You can have a piece of cake. You can also have a piece of cloth. You could even have a piece of advice. But the one thing you can't have, and the one thing you could never, ever have, is a piece of sky.
Of course you can, Matthew. It's a piece of sky about, well, 3 centimetres across with knobbly bits on, like this.
Oh.
Actually, the one Sooty's lost is bright blue, and it's got quite a lot of cloud going across one corner.
Yeah, now I understand, Sue. You're talking about jigsaw pieces, aren't you?
Yes.
What, and Sooty's lost a piece of jigsaw with sky on it?
Yes, like I said, a piece of sky.
Poor old Sooty. That must be terrible, losing a piece of your jigsaw. Where is he?
Well, he's having a look in the attic. That's where we found all these puzzles, wasn't it?
Yes. I wonder how he's getting on. Well, like most people's attics, the one at Sooty's place is full of old boxes, which are full of toys that don't work anymore. There's an old vacuum cleaner, a tailor's dummy, an old radio, and, of course, old jigsaws. But right now, Sooty's got a bit sidetracked. He's meant to be looking for a piece of sky, but he seems more interested in these old toys. Let's see if they still work. Oh, well, that one seems to work. Sooty gets another one. Let's see if this one works, shall we? Push it down and... Up! Oh, he's going to get it back again. Push it down, Sooty. Oh, steady. Push it down and... Wait for it. Oh, there it goes. Now, here's a change. The old chattering teeth. Sooty finds them extremely funny. Let's get something else. What's this? Oh. Whoops, he's fallen over. Let's get rid of him. Push him to one side. And here's another one. Whoops, steady, steady, he's fallen on the floor. Look at that. Oh, he stopped, but here's another one. There certainly are plenty of old toys, aren't there? Oh, and here's the duck again. Steady, off he goes. What's this? Well, Sooty's clearing them to one side because here comes another old toy. Look at this. Hang on. He seems to have got a bit stuck. Clear him out of the way. Whoops. Well, that's one way of doing it, I suppose. Now, oh, look at this coming up. What is it? It's a dinosaur toy. Ooh, it's pretty frightening. Look at Sooty shaking. That's enough of that, says Sooty. I really must find this missing piece of jigsaw. Just then, he sees something which makes him forget his piece of sky. This American police car. It used to be one of Sooty's favourite toys. But unfortunately, it's been broken for quite some time. It'll never work again unless... Aha! The trusty magic wand. Well, that was fun, thought Sooty. But it hasn't helped to find my piece of sky. I wonder where it could be. Sooty uses his torch to look around the dusty old loft. Not there. Not there either. Then suddenly, he sees it. A small box, high up on top of the other boxes, and written on the front, the words, odd jigsaw bits, especially pieces of sky. All he has to do is to get that box down. How is he going to do it? Ah, the very thing. Yes, that's where that piece goes. Yeah. Oh, hi, sweet. Just a minute. You arrive at a very, very important moment. Just don't disturb me. I know where this one goes. I've been saving that one. That goes there. This pink one. Just a minute. Just a minute. This goes there. It must be this. Oh, way up. Oh, wait. Like that. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. I've done it. I've finished, apart from this one piece. Apart from this one final piece, I've finished my jigsaw. Are you impressed, Sweep? Not really? What do you mean, not really? Well, how are you getting on with your jigsaw? You've only got a dozen pieces left. Well, yeah, that's pretty impressive. However, you cannot beat me, because I just need to put this one piece in, and I will be the first person in the house to finish their jigsaw. Apart from Sue? Well, yeah, all right, apart from Sue. I'll be the first of the lads to finish the jigsaw. By the way, why are you standing in my bedroom holding that thing full of pepper? You want some on your breakfast? But you can't open it. Well, where's Sooty? He's looking for a piece of sky. Oh, yes, of course. Well, Sue? In the bath? All right, Sweep, all right. I'll open it for you, and just because it's you, I shall put off completing my jigsaw. God, it's extremely... There, now.